Back inside. Big Stoke getting involved right in front of the official.
Stokely in the ring.
Risking disqualification.
Stephon Smith is looking all around over the top. The big UFO over Stokely. 1, 2, 3. Kevin Knight wins.
Winner, the Jet, Kevin Knight.
Needless to say, young Kevin Knight's biggest win since arriving here in AEW.
They are on their feet in Florida. Hell of a matchup. Kevin Knight absorbing a lot of punishment inside, outside the ring. Was able to come back inside and pull up what some, I consider, you potentially as well, Tony, would consider an upset.
Well, as we said, Dax Harwood with 40 wins, the most on Collision. It was an upset.
Willow didn't learn. Getting in the face of Big Stoke. Like you said, Stoke promised us something.
Yeah. Oh, well, Stoke got something just now.
What? Bayne with the power. But not the time.
No.
But just a little too. Oh! Mega Bayne!
Where did she come from? Double axe handle.
Well, Mega Bayne leads. Penelope Ford surely follows.
What was that? In the face of Mike Manor or Kevin Knight.
A decapitator from the Mega System. There is Ford.
Well, Nigel FTR and Stokely said that Willow Nightingale would get her surprise in due time. And I guess the due time was right now.